I made a $1,500 mistake that almost cost me my entire reputation, but then I handed the keys to a ghost. This is a 7-day experiment where I let a ghost agent AI run my entire business. No humans allowed, just code. The mission: to see if an autonomous system could actually acquire clients and manage projects while I stayed completely offline. The rules were simple: zero manual intervention. Every message, every lead, and every proposal had to be handled by the AI. I stepped back from my desk, hands off the keyboard, and watched as the system took full control of my professional life while I was out living. Lines of cascading logic were negotiating deals and closing sales in the background. It felt surreal. But with high automation comes high stakes. One wrong prompt and the whole system could collapse into total mismanagement. Day 1 was a disaster. The AI couldn't handle the volume, and my phone wouldn't stop vibrating with pings representing pure chaos. On day 2, we changed the logic. We set a hard rule: if the budget was under $1,000, the AI stopped immediately. By day 5, the momentum shifted. The digital twin was learning, refining its pitch, and scaling faster than I ever could manually. Day 7, the payoff: a notification for $1,500, fully automated, without me sending a single email, from lead qualification to the final proposal and payment. The entire workflow was handled by the ghost agent flawlessly. AI doesn't replace you. It replaces the boring, repetitive version of you that's holding your business back from its true potential. If you're ready to automate your future, click the link in the description. Let's get to work.